Welcome back to the party. This is episode 9 of season 2 of That Time I Got Reincarnated as a Slime. Let's get started. Link in the description that will send you to Crunchyroll. Bring the episode down to 0. They're going to play at the same time. So when you're ready, 3, 2, 1, go. The last episode was so sad. I do want to say, in between the last episode and this episode, I completely rewatched the whole series. So I was just on a whim. I'm starting to rewatch a bunch of shows I've already seen before, just because it's comfort food, I guess. I don't know. So I was like, I'll also rewatch Slime. So see if I ever missed anything, get caught back up, and I rewatched that last episode too, and I was just like, I cried again. It hits hard. But I was like, yeah, why not, right? Let's rewatch it. So I did. I also rewatched Shield Hero. I also am currently rewatching ReZero, and then we'll probably continue from there. I don't know. Well, I'll see. Just a little insight on me, because I'm not watching those for the channel. Although, Shield Hero got announced for the second season in October, so we will be reacting to that when that comes out, just so you're aware, because I definitely want to do that. That and Devil's a Part-Timer Season 2, that was also announced. I don't know when the air date is for that, but I'm also excited for that. Although I did read the manga. I didn't finish it, but I did read it, so I probably know everything that's going to happen in Season 2, but that's fine. It's been years since I read it, so it's okay. Let's fucking go. We're just getting a small recap. Are we going to ask Camillin about this, or are we just straight up about to just kill people and see what happens? And I will bring them back to life. Why just listening in? There's about 20,000 people. I'm just so nonchalantly saying, I'm gonna kill 10,000 of them. I mean, they did kill a lot of the orc army. So I think he killed like 50,000. Not him personally, but like 50,000 at least, I think. Something like that. I don't think he's told any of them that, has he? I literally just rewatched the series. I'm fairly certain he hasn't told anyone that. So unless they're telling that to us. But oh no, he's saying it to them. it's not italicized, so I guess it's not an inner monologue. Just I wasn't expecting him to say it. It wasn't really a secret, I guess, but it's just not really something he was just so open about. I'm glad I rewatched all of Slime just to get another recap. Being honest, it's great. What's the name of this episode? Putting everything on the line. That doesn't seem like a recap name. It could be, I guess. Literally none of them really reacted to him being reincarnated, so I guess it wasn't much of a secret. I mean, that's kind of true. They're all blaming themselves. He did a little bit. To be fair. It's all your faults. Every single one of you. I'm kidding. Okay, they've all gone back to saying it's all of our faults, but not in such an aggressive way. I guess they didn't know. They just don't care. I feel like if they cared what race he was, they probably still wouldn't really be following a slime. So. He's got a problem with it. Same way he used to treat everyone else. Yeah, they don't like you right now, so having them just not be attacking you, great first step. I mean, yeah, that's fair. Why is she the only one standing? Yom-chan. Yay. War map. $3 days. So you should intercept them before they get to you. Well, you do have a human soul in you. Just you? Only you. Alright. Fuck. Rimuru versus 20,000 people. I'm assuming it's okay if he just kills them and not just absorbs them, because that's going to take a while if he just absorbs them. Because Milim obviously can't just absorb people. I'm pretty sure she's just straight up killed them, so. Should have set up just a, a, a backup just in case. Definitely no cause for concern then. I'm so happy and excited for the fight that's gonna happen next episode, I'm sure. Didn't Rimmer put one up? Good. Watch her double cross. I don't think that wouldn't happen. I'm just saying. It'd be funny. I'm so excited for all of these fights. They sound so fun, and I want to be a part of this. Aw. Yeah, you're about to be a mass murderer. Clayman's already a demon lord, isn't he? Is he not? Is Clayman not a demon lord? Maybe he's not. I've been wrong about Clayman the whole time. I just assumed he was a demon lord. My cat is snoring. I don't know if you can hear that. Oh, don't say that. I mean, nice sentiment, but I was gonna say, aren't you guys leaving yet? Or for some reason I thought Gabiru was the only one that could fly. I'm like, wow, he's gonna get there before them. It's not the case. He's gonna fucking light these bitches up. She's just taking a nap. All right. Jesus. All this world shall know pain. I just got that feeling from him now. It's so high up in the air. Uh-oh. Oh no. This was the in-between episode. The getting ready episode. Preparing for war episode. Right before the big fight. The huge, big fight of the season. I don't know how many episodes there are in the season. I don't know if there's 12. I don't know if there's 24. There was 24 last time. Maybe there's 24 again. So that would make this the mid-season fight. So maybe there's a bigger one later. I don't know. But right now, it's like I'm fucking ready. I am so fucking ready for next week's episode. And if you guys are too, click the notification bell so you know when it's live. Also, like, comment, and subscribe because it super helps out the channel. Other than that, thank you for coming to the party.